simulation is a 3D immersive application used to visualize the earthquake data. We have seismic information of El Centro, which was measured as 7.1 in magnitude, and Chichi, which was measured as 7.6 in magnitude. In structural engineering, the structure is defined in terms of nodes and elements. We have used these nodes and elements to construct beams and columns. As I move closer, you can see the movement of the building as per the earthquake data. To get a more clear picture, let me shift into some other display. At this location, you can see the difference between the columns movement and the beams movement. They both move in a cubic pattern.